Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up on luma.ai. So let's go ahead and start the video. If you don't have luma.ai yet, you can install it from the Play Store. Go ahead and open luma.ai, and as soon as you open it, you can see two types of sign up options. You can either sign up using Google or your Apple ID. I'm going to teach you by logging into my Google account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. After you do so, select your Google account. Wait for a while, and you must give the permission with your Gmail to give the permission to luma.ai. So after that, you can see that there you go. You have just created your account. You can now start using luma.ai. You want to go to profile, then you can do that as well. So you can see the settings option over here. You can go to settings. If you want to log out, you can click log out, and you can see there will be the continue with Google and Apple. Again, you can continue using your other Google account as well. And there is it. So guys, this is quite easy and helpful. This is how you can sign up to your luma.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.